Mosainyane familia. Jatend migao mar omenda Mbadi okoni Kenya nyaka koro ikre mar thegore kod hola moyudo kuom agulu mar piny ngima midendo ni IMF e siro budget mage ka koro maino winjo bed ni iketo ne yudo yuto mage mapacho kae. Mbadi oyango ni duol machoko osuru KRA oserem chopo kare agete mag choko kata odoko ni ikomenda mokalo to duol no temo. Jafo mar Walter Nyambaga lero mathoth.
Nyim komiti od bura marango weche mag budget mochwe kom kod jaod bura malego Usonga Samuel Atandi kae ma jatend migao mar omenda Mbadi oyango ni piny Kenya winjore othegre kod hola mag aguch piny mangima mar IMF kalure kod chike mage maduoko yut mag Kenya lo. Mbadi okoni ka Kenya okaso tol makare to yuto mage mathur ka nyalo siro dongruok e budget mapile kapile.
External financing is drying up, Mr. Chairman. When you hear IMF telling us, no, we cannot give you money because it is not because of those, we have too many challenges. In fact, this economy probably is better run than previous years. It is like, father, you don't admit to your children that chakula ni kidogo. You start putting conditions that, I sent you last week to go and bring me a panga from so and so, and you refuse. I'll not give you food. I'll only give you the other child. That is what is happening now with the multilaterals. They don't have enough resources. America is reducing their funding to these multilaterals.
Mbadolero ni duol muchung ne choko mar usuru thur ka KRA osebedo ka yulo kod choko motegno mar chopo agete margi. Kata odoko ni komenda mokalo to KRA ne otemo kipimo kod kinde mokalo.
We want to understand how your ministry, our national treasury, is planning to treat these court awards.
We have been over projecting revenue, I think. It is our tax administration system that has failed us. Because if you look at around 2013, we were collecting about over 18% of our GDP as ordinary tax. Today it has come down to almost 14%.
Because it has been the same language each and every year. We believe that maybe using broad-based tactics you are going to give us, make a difference this time around.
Komiti no bende okundo migao mar omenda mondo chiw ler wi pek mag chudo mag gope mahinyo weche mag budget e piny owacho mamalo to kod counties.
The first charge should always be pending bills. We are the first governor left pending bills. The second governor comes in, sorts out his people.
But let us know exactly how much do we owe other people. And then what is the short-term measures of reducing it?
That accumulation of further pending bills is what we are trying to stop. That is why 2024-25, we did not cross over with any outstanding exchequer releases.
Okone komitno ni sirikal oseketo e timo kenge mag rakruok kod tiyo achadha kod pesa. Ahinya to mak mana pesa mabiro luorore lwet japiny eka ochumi dongi.
We must contain expenditure. I have looked at our expenditure structure. It is very hard to reduce now expenditure. Because again, austerity measures is going to hurt this country if we push it beyond where it has reached.
And come up with what can work for the people of Kenya now and for posterity, as it is. Because the other day you talked about this single treasury account to parliament. I opposed you.
Mage oyangi kinde chako timo ikruok mag thedho budget mar ikomenda melo fario kod abiriyo. Nyaka sani gilieko ni dhi bede ka shillings trillion 4.7. Kae kwano trillion 3.4 tidhi tigo de tayo chenro mapile kapile kod osara ka dongruok ilieko ni nyalo dhi muonyo shillings billion 749.5 e kinde masiri kende mag county yudo billion 495.5 ka oriyo.
As an expert in
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.